Hey, what's up, guys? I know it's been a while. तबीयत खराब हो गई थी and I was not feeling okay. I know I want I wanted to make more videos, but yeah, guess what? So here I am. I'm gonna show you what I've learned in the past few weeks, and I've been using it. Free websites, how you can create free professional-looking websites just using a free LLM that is available in the market. And unlike any other LLMs, it doesn't require you to have a credit card, or it doesn't ask you to load up credits or anything. So this LLM, I've been using it for a few months now, and yeah, it's great. So अगर आप जो है वेब डिज़ाइन में आना चाहते हो और वेबसाइट्स बनाना चाहते हो फ्री में, प्रोफेशनल लुकिंग, मोबाइल ऑप्टिमाइज्ड, everything looks clean, crisp, great. I'm gonna show you. So this is what I have created for one of the persons who reached out, and she was looking for a brand new website for her business. So let me show you what I did. And this is created using the AI. मैंने इस पे कुछ भी ऐड नहीं किया, कोई फीचर नहीं है, कोई प्लगइन नहीं है. All the transition, all the images, all the trust stats and everything created by AI. And as you can see, all the listings, even the bio. This is a great landing page with the footer, and everything is there. So this is where I created it, and guess what? Yep. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so first let me show you कि ये actual में कैसी लगती है. I know from the selfie camera it must not be looking that good, but here's the preview. This is how it actually looks, and yeah, you can see all the elements, animations, listings, portfolio, bio, everything is crisp, clean, and mobile optimized. Let me show you if it's mobile optimized or not. So if we go to this, and yeah, you can see it, right? Everything is mobile optimized. It looks clean, crisp, and everything. So now let's get back to seeing how to actually create this website. Simple है, बहुत simple है. You just need to have a WordPress dashboard, access to WordPress, environment already set up होना चाहिए, and then you need deepseek. Yes sir, free LLM, and that's all the tools that you're gonna need. So now let's get back to the LLM, and I'm gonna show you how to start making a website. We're gonna do a completely different website, so you can have an idea. So मैंने एक छोटा सा प्रॉम्प्ट लिखा है. ये सेम चैट है जहाँ पे मैंने अभी प्रीवियस रियल स्टेट वाला लैंडिंग पेज बनाया था. All you have to do just be detailed with your prompts. That's all you have to do. I mean, the LLM agent जो जिसके साथ आप काम कर रहे हो, he's not intelligent, I would say, क्योंकि you have to be very specific about your requirement for the website or whatever you want the LLM to create. So having knowledge about what each thing can be explained as is really important. So you need to know exactly what to tell your LLM, what you're trying to create. Give the agent the complete clarity that you can. So as you can see, since I have already trained this agent, and this chat pe, it already knows what kind of websites I want it to create. So you just have to be a little bit thorough, a little bit detailed about the instruction. As you can see, now I want you to make a website for a beauty salon based in Dallas, Texas, owned by Jasmine Nguyen, which is a luxury and trendy salon that offers all the services a beauty salon would offer to women, right? So now we're just gonna go ahead and let it do its job. Meanwhile, it's creating. As you can see, the complete code is being written down. All you have to do is just make sure that you have the WordPress environment ready. I have this test hosting platform or hosting that is ready and deployed with WordPress. So what I'm going to do, just add a simple page, add a new page, open that page up, And I'm using Elementor Basic, by the way. You know, it's easy for me. I've been using Elementor for years now, and I'm really happy with the service. I really like Elementor and the features it offers. So I'm gonna go with it, and let's do Beauty Salon by Jasmine. That's gonna be the name of the page. We're gonna click on Edit with Elementor, and let's go from here. So now we're on the editing page. First few things, if you're using Elementor, I'm gonna explain what you have to do. So just get down to the page layout and select the Elementor canvas. So you get full screen preview of anything that you're adding or building. It's easier to manage. And then we're gonna look for the HTML module, drag and drop it over here, and we're gonna make it full width. Now let's see. Okay, it's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna skip this part. I don't want to bore you to death. Once it's completed, I'll get back. All right, so website जो है वो ready हो चुकी है. It's completed. The code is ready, and we can also take a look and generate a preview and see how it actually looks. So we're gonna click on run, and as you can see, it shows this, and it looks nice, right? This is the first time that I'm seeing. मैंने नहीं देखा. I'm not cheating anyway. So yeah, I love it. So I actually told the LLM agent what kind of images we're gonna use and all of that, and what's the name of the owner, what services, a little detail that I said. You have to be detailed. You have to treat it like an employee or an assistant. You have to be specific to your assistant, like what you're actually looking for. So this looks good, right? So this is just a preview. What we're gonna do, we're gonna copy it, the complete code, copy it, and we were working on this page with Elementor. Paste the code, I'm sorry, and we're good to go. Easy as that, right? We're gonna hit publish, and let's see how it looks. I'm gonna quickly go over to the view page. Let's view it in incognito. As you can see, yep, wow, super impressed, guys. And just looking at the fact that this was created by a free LLM agent with the complete code, I mean, I'm blown away. Web developers, AI is coming for your job, just like mine. So yeah. Yeah, just kidding. Well, I mean, we can be more efficient now. We don't have to spend our time being playing around with different things, different plugins, making sure that everything looks good. AI can do the job. I mean, just tell it what you need, it will get it done. Then you can fine tune it, maybe customize it, add that human touch that AI still cannot. I don't know about the next 5 or 10 years, but yeah, still can do the complete thing. You still have to be involved, or you have to involve a professional human if you're creating a website. So this is what it did. I mean, I'm super impressed. I already was, but now I'm even more impressed. So yes, well, the website is ready, the web page is ready, the footer is there. It's completely operational. It even scrolls you down, and we can add a contact form right over here. Book an appointment. You see, it's a modal form that AI automatically created, because it actually knows what kind of website I want it to create. That's why it understands my language, and which is even better. So you have to be more specific. I'm forcing it again and again. You have to be specific. Treat it like an assistant. Don't expect to write 3 words and get the LLM you a complete thing. I mean, it's not going to happen. You have to be detailed. You have to be specific. You have to make sure you're telling it exactly what you need. So that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up. So if you love this, I mean, if you like this video, let me know in the comments. And if you need help, creating this website, or you already got the code and you want somebody to help you set it up, feel free to reach out in the comments. I'll let you know what you need, and if I can help, I'll try my best to set it up for you. And that's it, guys. I mean, I hope you loved the video. If you want a more detailed video where I actually show how to create the complete footer, complete header, each section customized, let me know. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, press the like button. And if you want to learn more, if you want to see more tutorials, more detailed tutorials on how to actually achieve this, let me know in the comments. Again, subscribe to the channel and see you in the other one. Allah Hafiz.